Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll walk you through the steps to reset your bkash PIN on your own without contacting customer service. So follow these steps. Firstly, open the bkash menu on your phone and dial *247#. You'll see several options. Next, select new option labeled Reset PIN, usually option 9. This initiates the reset process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the phone number registered with your bkash account, which should match the ID you used for your verification, such as an ID, driving license, or passport. Now, after entering your phone number, input your birth year as further identification. Next, you'll then be asked to verify your account by referencing a recent transaction from the past 3 months. Choose a transaction type such as send money and reply with the amount you sent recently. If no transactions have occurred in that period, select no transaction. Once the verification steps are complete, bkash will send you a temporary PIN via SMS. Now, after receiving the temporary PIN, dial *247# once more and select the option to reset your PIN. When prompted, enter the temporary PIN provided in the SMS and then you'll be asked to enter a new PIN code twice for confirmation. Make sure it's something secure and memorable. Once confirmed, your PIN is complete and you're ready to use bkash again with your new PIN. This process allows you to securely reset your bkash PIN quickly and independently without contacting their customer support. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.